All right, we're down here at the layout workbench area, and we're trying to work on these brass diesels, which have some life but don't really want to run. This one ran a teeny bit, but was very hesitant, and this one didn't budged quarter of an inch and then stopped. So I immediately withdrew power. As you can see, it's got some exquisite hand railing that you don't ordinarily see, and details like that little horn. Very nice. I mean, you could get that on plastic, but it's you can see it's extraordinary. That's what you're getting with brass. See that open venting in there? So the question is, I believe it's just some lubrication. So I'd really prefer not to open this if I didn't have to. Wow, these are 2 micro drills. Now that might be what I really need to get at. Let's make sure that you could see. Oh, what was that? That's something else from somewhere else. Well, I've got multiple cushions here in the form of this packing paper. And that's keeping it up, so that's good. Something's making a clicking noise. I don't know what the heck that is. Now, this is where it pays to have one of these kits. You know, with the super micro drill. Let's see if it helps out, because those look like super tiny drill bits, man. We're talking teeny tiny. Of course, I don't have anything in order in here. Well, that's typical, right? Start playing with it, fiddling with it, and now I've got to look through all these things for the smallest one. These are all weird. That looks pretty tiny. I don't know if it's the teeny tiniest. I'm gonna try it. Don't know if it's gonna work. I think if I can get this out. It looks like it's rolling around, which means it's not fitting in. Nope. Oh my God, it came right out. I didn't even realize it came out. Wow. Gotta be careful. Oh my God, I lost it already. Here it is. You know what? I think this is time for magnification glasses. Oh my gosh, this is so lucky. Wow. There's no lube in there at all. I don't know, can you see in there? Okay, so since I've been using this wonderful stuff, since I learned about it from a great channel, Elite, what is it, 194? That guy's incredible. And this stuff is safe on plastic and other things, so I'm sure it's safe on brass. So I'm going to use this lithium red gel. Way too much. You might say, what the heck is he putting on there? Like, I know you're right. What is this? This is from a soldering gun. You know what, though? I don't think I should put debris in there. Debris is probably not a good thing. So let me sure this thing is debris free. Hope there's no debris in there now. Let me put this back in there. Look at one of these tiny little what I can't tell, and I'm going to have to use this magnifier, is to see if, oh, can I see it? Can't tell if that joint is accessible from the inside. I'm going to assume it's not. I know the cap is not on here. I'm going to try to reach in here. Get at that way. Oh yeah. Little dab here. And also at this end. That end. This side. That side. Okay, I think this is pretty lubed up. Wow, that's some casing, huh? It's like bronze. Shit, don't drop it, man. Well, this is on lock on both sides. I really don't need to get plastic granules in there. Problem is, I'm not lubricating anything on the motor. That probably needs it too. Oh, she doesn't want to go in. I have to loosen this one. This is really weird. It's not grabbing. I gotta put the ratchet on. Let's put a little power on, just see what happens.